Any question from the media? Action 5.
Sir, good
Mia.
afternoon. Sir, about the Odicta couple, sir, is it true that...
Odicta?
Yes, sir.
Yun ang pinaka
They were just
drug lord.
shot this morning, sir, and...
Patay?
Yes, sir. Is it true that they were supposed to surrender and go to Kurame to give a matrix for those people involved in drugs, sir?
That is not my problem. He is wanted and is the number one drug lord. Talagang drug lord ito. And I just was informed early this morning that yung Odicta couple, mag-asawa patay. Sa pantalan ata inabutan. Wow. So, I cannot say anything. Good or bad, wala ako kasi yan ang pinili niya eh. He was corrupting everybody. Lahat, pati yung mga governors. May isang gobernador dito sa Visayas na I named him before. Kung you do not believe me, go to Cebu and try to get a time to talk to him. Wala kang pati ang salita niya umiikot sa he's already dysfunctional. Yang Odicta was really being hunted sa Iloilo. Siya yan ay number one. Inabot talaga siya ng malas. Sinong gustong sumunod dito kay Odicta? Bakante ngayon. Patay na raw.
Sir, follow up on Secretary De Lima. She recently mentioned that the matrix you've shown to the public was a basura, and she reiterated that she is 100% innocent, sir. Thank you.
Ang driver niya nandoon sa matrix. The secret of it all is yung driver niya. Kaya yung driver niya ang may koneksyon sa loob. That is why sa loob, saan ka makakita dito na preso na may nightclub, may banda, makabili ka ng babae, pwede, papasukin lahat. Kung ako ang preso, bakit pa ako lalabas? Nandiyan na eh. Explain to me yung behavior. So yung mag-explain ka muna sa behavior mo, sa pagkababae mo. Is senator? Ayan, tingnan ninyo sa ano. Nandiyan may lumabas na naman. Uy, sino ka, ma'am? Bago
Sir,
ito.
Good afternoon. I'm Rida Reyes po from GMA.
Sa Maynila.
Yes, sir.
Kalaguwaray ka.
Sir, tanong ko lang po, following yung kaninang statement ninyo or kanina po in-address nyo mismo si Chinese ambassador para ipakiusap yung Chinese fishermen. Sabi po niya, sumagot na siya kanina, sabi niya po he's open for discussions daw in letting Filipino fishermen sa Panatag Shoal.
Well, they're having discussions backdoor channeling with President Ramos. I really do not know what's the deal or what is being talked about. It would be either presumptuous of me to say anything that I have not cleared with the President Ramos. He might have a lot of the wherewithals, pero ako wala, hindi pa kami nakita. So, they're still talking. Akin, diniritso ko to lang, nandoon na eh. Sabi ko, nandiyan ka na lang rin, Ambassador. Wala man tayong away, bakit hindi mo payagan you have heard andoon ka pala? Kanina?
No, sir, I was monitoring po dito sa Samar. Sir, another topic lang. Following yung release ng publication ng MASA, can we expect also to hear your voice regularly sa meron daw pong nationwide naman radio program to be hosted by you?
I used to do that when I was mayor. More than almost 20 years with ABS-CBN. But of course, wala na ngayon kasi yung presidente na marami kasi akong trabaho talaga, totoo lang. Sa trabaho ng presidente. Para kang clerk. Yan talaga, clerk. Pag-solve ka ng problema ganito, yan lang. Papel tapos hindi ka makalabas. Hindi ka makalabas ng Malacanang. You go out and you create a huge traffic problem for everybody. Nahiya ako kasi mga 20 minutes before magdaan ako, clear na yan, pati yung kanto sarado na. So, the traffic piles up at the back. Once you zoom in, Pagdaan mo, pass by, they begin to mingle again, and sometimes marami tuloy magbabanggaan. It wreaks havoc to the day's mobility. Bago ka lang, ma'am, sa GMA?
Hindi, sir.
Hindi makita nakita, baka nagsuot-suot ka lang dyan.
Hindi, sir. May mga assigned kasi po na reporters eh. Means, thank you, sir.
May sinakyan kayo? Chopper? Hay naman mo. Sumama ka lang sa amin. Kaibigan ko yun. Nagluloko lang ako. I'm fun to do that, but you think that flirting, no? That's myself, actually. I do that even to my teachers. Any more questions? Do I hear somebody from the other network? Yeah. Kindly. Ano ka man?
Sir, magandang tanghali po sa inyo. Ako po si Reggie Marina po from 90.1 Star Radio Catbalogan. Local announcer lang po. Sir, matanong ko lamang po yung reaksyon ninyo sa naging pahayag kamakailan ni Senator Laila de Lima hinggil dun sa panawagan ni Speaker Alvarez na hindi po siya interesado at hindi po siya haharap sa gagawing pagdinig ng Kongreso. Ano po ang reaksyon niyo dun, sir?
You cannot compel anybody, not a senator actually. If she refuses, you can cite her for contempt. But the problem is just the immunity for the time being, that she is a senator and Congress is in session. But nobody can force anybody just to be there to bear witness to what's going on. Parang ganon, no? Pero with the kind of pati ako kung ako I'm not being anong tawag dito. But if I were her, look at the nadagdag na naman doon ngayon. Pero wala kaming pakialam yan. That's not our work. That is their work. Sinadya niya, nagkumpiyansa sa yan. It's all over town. Yes, wala na.